What if you did 100 push-ups every day for a month? A health expert's perspective. Engaging in 100 push-ups every day for a month can have both positive and potentially negative effects on your health. Here's a health expert's perspective on this specific scenario. Potential health benefits. Increased upper body strength. Performing 100 push-ups daily can lead to improved strength in the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, contributing to enhanced upper body strength. Muscle endurance improvement. The repetition of push-ups can enhance muscle endurance, allowing for better performance in sustained physical activities. Calories expenditure. Regular doing 100 push-ups can contribute to increased caloric expenditure, potentially supporting weight management and fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. Convenience and accessibility. Push-ups require no equipment and can be done anywhere, offering a convenient and accessible form of exercise. Mood and mental well-being. Regular exercise, including push-ups, is associated with improved mood and reduced stress, thanks to the release of endorphins. Potential health risks. Overtraining and injury risk. Performing 100 push-ups daily for an extended period may increase the risk of overtraining, leading to muscle strains, joint issues, or overuse injuries. Muscle imbalances. Focusing solely on push-ups may neglect certain muscle groups, potentially causing imbalances in strength and flexibility. Joint stress. High-frequency push-ups can put stress on the shoulder and elbow joints, potentially leading to joint problems over time. Plateau in progress. The body may adapt to the 100 push-up routine, resulting in a plateau in progress. Variability and progression in the workout routine are crucial for sustained improvement. Lack of overall fitness. Relying exclusively on one exercise may not provide a comprehensive approach to fitness. Including exercises targeting different muscle groups and fitness components is essential. Recommendations. Individual is identified. A health expert would emphasize that fitness plans should be tailored to individual fitness levels, goals, and health conditions. A one-size-fits-all approach may not be suitable. Variation in exercise routine. Including a variety of exercises alongside push-ups ensures a well-rounded fitness routine, preventing imbalances and promoting overall health. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest days are crucial to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injuries. Muscles need time to recover and adapt. Proper form. Emphasizing proper push-up form is essential to minimize the risk of injury. Seeking guidance from a fitness professional or using reputable resources for technique is recommended. Listen to your body. Paying attention to how the body responds to the exercise routine is vital. Adjustments to intensity or routine may be necessary if signs of fatigue, pain, or discomfort persist. In conclusion, while doing 100 push-ups every day for a month can